today I'm talking imprinting, puppy imprinting. Basically, you don't want your puppy to be, your dog to be a scary dog when he gets older, so you take your puppy through all different kinds of, basically take him out and let him understand what's going on. Let's go. Like I say, imprinting is just getting your puppy used to the kind of training that you're gonna have him in. As you seen me on all these hills with Merino before. Good exercise, good play. Let's go. Let's go, puppy. Like I said before, introduction to a new environment is what it's all about. You don't want a dog that you can't take nowhere but the yard. That's what you call a yard dog. Anyway, y'all stay safe out there with them bulldogs. Enjoy yourselves. Have a great and safe holidays. It's your boy Pelican Bay Canines. Talking imprinting today. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Hit that notification button. Hit the comments up. I'm gonna hit the comments up myself. Let me know what's on your mind. Pelican Bay Canines, I'm about here. Let's go.